I'm Itzel Hernandez, and I am a first-generation graduate from Robert Morris. I wanted to be a police officer, or I wanted to do culinary. I had this crazy idea. I told my best friend, I was like, I think I can do both. And I saw that, Robert Morris provided this dual program at the time where it's like, if you do your first degree here, you get your second degree for free. And I was like, well, why not? This is the right fit for me because they had everything that I was looking for.
My name is Itzel Hernandez, and I'm a mother and proud of a Robert Morris graduate. I came from Mexico when I was 16 years old. Being an immigrant, we don't have the opportunity. We just work, try to go to school and work all the time. I always thought that whenever I have kids, I want to make sure they have an education so they didn't have to struggle to what I had to struggle when I was younger.
I think she was more of the anxious one for the both of us. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing after high school? Did you do, ACTs yet? Are you applying for scholarships?
I always felt afraid of being able to help her with tuition and all that stuff. When we met with the counselor, they said that they will offer scholarship through soccer. They broke it up for us in different ways how we were going to manage. It was a better relief. Seeing the opportunities that the school was giving them and how they develop, meeting the staff and guiding you to what they were going to expect from school. It was amazing.
Culinary student, we have our chefs, basically our mentors. Not only am I learning, but I feel like it's more than just school. It's more than just the education. It's the relationships you build. I want them to be proud of me, but I want them to know that I wanted every second of it. I wanted to finish school. Every hour that I spent studying, it was for me because I wanted to further on in my life.